let me show you how to remove that message button on Facebook. This is really helpful if you're getting tons of spam messages on Facebook and you only want to get messages from your friends and family. Now open up the Facebook app if you're on iPhone and Android, or you can go to facebook.com. We need to get to your settings, so look for the menu button at the bottom right, or it might be at the top right there. And then scroll down, open up Settings and Privacy, and then your settings. Now within your settings, you can control who can message you, and essentially you can restrict that, and by doing so, it will remove that message button. So all we need to do is scroll down, and you're looking for audience and visibility, and we're going to tap on how people find and contact you. Now from here, all we need to do is scroll down and you'll be able to see how you get message requests, and you're just going to tap on any of these and switch it to don't receive requests. Now you might want to go through this entire list, and specific ones like from others on Messenger or Facebook that you don't necessarily know, you want to switch these to don't receive requests. Essentially make this as limited as possible, and then you will have disabled that message button.